find it, Sid? Whoa, did you hear that? I'm gonna tell Coco on you.
Hi, Jazz. Everybody. Topper. Topper.
Here?
I'm taking a video in the yellow room.
Oh, Molly Doodle got it. You were too slow.
What are they doing, Faith?
I just talked to him. He's not listening.
Well, hello, handsome. And little handsome. Dakota in the pitch. Hi, Lex. Coco, what you doing back there? Sid, come on, why don't you come inside? Your feet are cold. Scooby, what are you doing?
Eating ice.
Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Coco, come here. Look at your face. Don't. Good boy. Sid, come inside. Warm your toes up. Hi, Face. Hi, Sid. Come on. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Topper, you gonna let us come in? Come on, Sid. Come on, Sid. I know. Make it to the bed. Come on. Good girl. There you go. Toppy Topper.